Minecraft just dropped a ton of hidden updates, secret changes, and massive announcements, and most players missed them. From new mobs, surprise snapshots, cancelled features, and huge leaks about the future of the game. Today, we're counting down the top 10 Minecraft news you need to know. And trust me, number 1 changes everything. Starting at number 10. Minecraft 1.21 is officially one of the fastest adopted updates ever. Mojang revealed that players jumped into 1.21 faster than both 1.19 and 1.20, all thanks to the crafter trial chambers and the breeze shaking up gameplay. Comment which 1.21 feature you think carried the update. At number 9, the crafter is getting even more changes. Mojang confirmed that the crafter is not done yet. Community feedback is shaping new features like better redstone logic, crafting indicator tweaks, and more recipe automation. The crafter might just become the biggest redstone revolution since the observer block. Number 8 is a secret snapshot feature nobody expected. A recent snapshot quietly added hidden backend changes to mob AI and world generation. Data miners found traces of experimental structure tags hinting at new generated structures coming in the future, possibly already in testing. Coming in at number 7. The breeze is stronger than you think. Players discovered that the breeze's wind charge can redirect TNT arrows, snowballs, and even knock mobs into traps, creating insane potential for custom minigames, mob farms, and chaotic multiplayer fun. For number 6, did you know trial chambers have a secret rare room? You might not know this, but trial chambers have an ultra-rare room layout with a unique loot configuration. Only a tiny percentage of seeds generate it, making it the new Stronghold Library level of rare. Let me know if you have ever found this room. Number 5, Mojang teases a new art style for mob vote icons. Something subtle but important, Mojang quietly updated their art style for promotional mobs and icons. Why does that matter? Because Mojang only updates styles before big announcements, hinting a major event or update reveal is coming soon. At number 4, the Birch Forest update might actually return. In a surprising developer comment, Mojang said the cancelled Birch Forest update ideas from 1.19 could be revisited later. This has reignited theories that 1.22 or even 1.23 may focus on biomes again. Number 3, Mojang is testing cross-platform rendering consistency. Behind the scenes, Mojang has begun aligning the visual behavior between Java and Bedrock lighting particles, animations. This is part of a long-term push toward better parity and possibly something even bigger: long-term crossplay improvements. At number 2, Minecraft Mobile is getting a massive rework. Minecraft Pocket Edition is getting redesigned UI menus, quicker world loading, better performance, and even touch-friendly inventory improvements. This is the biggest mobile rework in years, and Mojang says more is coming. And finally, at number 1, Mojang is working on a secret new feature for 2025. Several insider job listings hint that Mojang is developing a new gameplay system for an upcoming update. Not an item, not a mob, but a system. This could be a whole new mechanic, like archaeology or redstone used to be. And if this is true, the next update might be one of the biggest Minecraft has ever seen. Minecraft is changing faster than ever, and the next few updates could completely reshape the game. Which piece of news surprised you the most? Drop a comment. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe because I cover every update the moment it drops. Thanks for watching.